All right, I'm ready on Crowley. This is case number 22-452-2201, the people of the state of Michigan versus Reuben Crowley. The defendant is charged with 1 count of trespass, and today is the date set for a final pretrial conference. Appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people.
And Mr. Crowley, your name, please.
Reuben James Crowley Jr., appearing on behalf of myself.
Today is the day set for a final pretrial conference. How are we proceeding?
Is that question to me?
Yes, Mr. Crowley, how are we proceeding?
I haven't had a chance to speak with the prosecutor, but I do have information that she should be privy to prior to us holding this examination.
There's no examination to be held. No examination to be held. Lawyers are responsible for talking to the prosecutor before they come to court.
I know
before they come to court.
I've been trying to contact her through the prosecutor's number. I called several times, and they told me that they would not disclose who the prosecutor was to me. And when I reached out to the court, I didn't.
Probably they didn't have to disclose it to you because the last time you were here, we disclosed it to you. She was here and we gave you the phone number because you're going to be representing yourself, and she got your email address. Do you recall that?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Okay, so, and then Ms. Ritter, did you send him the discovery?
Judge, I sent over video discovery on October 27th to the email provided, and I also sent paper discovery on that day as well, and my contact information is always attached on my signature when I send discovery.
So you had her information, and then you could have just responded to the email that she sent you. So you've had an opportunity to speak with the prosecutor. So how do you wish to proceed today?
Well, at this point, I'm still pleading not guilty. I haven't done anything wrong. I would never
trust. I'm going to continue the not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Crowley. Set the matter for a jury trial. The court is going to set a jury trial for what happened to my phone?
I see a prompt to join a breakout room. Am I supposed to join this room?
Sir. No, that wasn't. I don't know.
Okay.
Go to jail. All right, the court is going to set a jury trial for Monday, June 17th.
Your Honor, may I ask a question?
You may.
Now, if I have exculpatory evidence that would demonstrate...
Let me interrupt you and say this. You're representing yourself. It is your responsibility to know how to represent yourself. I cannot give you any advice on that. I cannot give you any instruction on that. You are representing yourself, and therefore you have to be responsible to know and understand all the things that lawyers go to school for years to learn. You have to be responsible to know those things. So I'm not going to give you any instruction on how to do anything as it relates to this case. You're going to have to figure that out for yourself. We provided counsel for you. You rejected that counsel and indicated that you want to represent yourself. And so you have to do just that, represent yourself. Okay.
Okay, is this an opportunity for me to make a motion for dismissal?
Mr. Crowley, you have to know how to represent yourself.
Okay, I would like to make a motion for dismissal on the grounds that there is no evidence that demonstrates that I trespassed that was provided to me by the prosecutor.
So I don't know how you know that when you didn't even look at the discovery that the prosecutor sent. But number two, as I did on October the 27th, the court is going to was it October 27th or something? Court is going to deny the oral motion. However, I will set a motion cutoff date. There was a motion to dismiss requested on October 27th. At that time, the court denied the motion, indicated that the people must produce the evidence to Mr. Crowley. The people have indicated that they have done that. Court is going to set a motion date. So first, I'm going to set the jury trial for June the 17th. Jury trial 2024. That's at 10:30 a.m. Court is also going to set a final pretrial conference and motion hearing date of May the 16th. So the final pretrial conference. And motion hearing May 16th at 11 o'clock a.m. Defense must file a written motion. The motion must be filed by, so that's, what did I say? Final pretrial May 16th, so that means 7, 14, 21, and then 11. Okay, so any motions must be filed by Thursday, April the 4th. And then if received by the court and the people by April 4th, then of course the people will have until April the 25th to respond. And then any rebuttal would or reply would be filed by, whoops, 1, 2, 3, by April 30th. I'll set it for May 1st. Response by May 1st. Or reply, I should say, reply by May 1st. With a motion hearing on May 16th at 11 o'clock. Anything further?
Yes, yes, Your Honor. I'm looking at the email that was sent to me by evidence.com from the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office. There is no contact information on this email that I have related to the evidence, the video evidence that was sent on October the 29th, 2023 at 9:40 a.m. There is no contact information here. That's why I was calling the prosecutor's office to get the contact information. Can the prosecutor provide me with her contact information?
Ms. Ritter, can you give Mr. Crowley your contact information that's in the bar journal that every other person would be able to go get? Can you provide him with the contact information that's in the bar journal that's available to the public?
Yes, Judge. I am sending an email now with my contact information.
All right. Anything further?
No, thank you, Judge.
No, thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Then we're going to be all set until May the 16th at 11 o'clock for any motion hearing and final pretrial conference. Everyone have a great day, stay safe, and Happy New Year.
You as well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, this judge politely just schooled this man on why he shouldn't be representing himself. And he still is insisting on representing himself. It just doesn't even make any sense to me. You automatically put yourself at a disadvantage when you try to represent yourself. If you have a lawyer, the lawyer has been to school for years practicing and learning law. And I'm not even counting the time that they've actually been an actual attorney. So you're at a disadvantage. There's no way you're going to know how to properly represent yourself because you did not go to law school. And you see the judge gave this guy all of these dates to file motions and then replies to motions. He didn't write down any of those dates. So he's going to clearly lose this case. I just don't even understand. Like, this guy can get a public defender. It's free. Why put yourself at a disadvantage by trying to represent yourself? It literally makes no sense. But this judge did a good job with schooling this man on his stupidity and the bad decision that he is making.